What's up, my people? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a very smart way to get rid of flappy or saggy hands or fat stomach. This that I'm mixing here is going to help you to get rid of that. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, thumbs up. Now let's get into the video. Alright guys, so to get rid of a saggy and fat looking hands, we're going to be needing petroleum jelly, which is Vaseline. The blue seal will be better. Okay, now this is just going to help to moisturize the path, because we're going to be using another remedy that would burn the fat cells, and this is going to help to moisturize the skin while it does that. Okay, and then we're going to be scooping in a little quantity of the Vaseline jelly. So we're going to be making use of a Banach balm. Now this balm is one remedy that gets into the beneath the skin, and it helps to burn down the fat cells. It dissolves the fat and therefore make your belly or your arm slimmer and much more younger looking. And also a little quantity of the Banach balm. Then we're going to be making use of ginger powder. Now for this remedy you have to make use of the powder, okay? Otherwise you can just make use of the ginger juice. Just a little bit of that will be okay. Alright, now this helps so much in removing pimples and blemishes, so it's going to be helpful for the purpose in which we're using it for. And for the ginger powder, we're going to be taking just a little quantity of that. And next we're going to be making use of aloe vera gel. Now aloe vera gel is a natural therapy and a remedy for dry and irritated skin. So when we use it with a Banach, it's going to remove all the excessive fat that is at the arm area. Now to make this even better, we're going to be pressing in about half tablespoon of this. Okay, let me use a spoon to do that. Alright. So I'm going to be mashing all of this all together. So after you've actually mixed this all up, then you can take the balm and then you apply it on your hand. Okay, you apply it on the side. Okay, but to make it a little friendly for me, I'm gonna be applying it here just so you can see. Now you can also use this on your belly, guys. It's gonna be helpful too. This is actually gonna be very hot. Alright, but the help of the aloe vera is going to make it much more friendly. So you apply it generously, just like what I am doing right now. Alright, so you'll be needing a clean nylon like this, okay, and then you would wrap it round. Alright guys, so if you're using this for your tummy, it's perfect. So you're going to wrap it round really tight, just like that. Okay, alright guys, so you wrap it round really tight, and then you can wrap your waist trainer or arm trainer. I think we have arm trainer too, so you can wrap it round and then you put on your dress just like it is right now. It is well placed. If it's on your tummy, it's just gonna stay there, but it's gonna be hot guys, so when it begins to hurt you, you should know that it's actually like burning the fat cells on your skin, okay, on your hand and on your skin. And what this is gonna do afterwards, you're gonna sweat a whole lot, and when you're sweating, that is when it's actually working. Okay, so after that you can even stay with it till the next day or for some couple of hours if you can. After that, then you can just peel it off. Okay. Peel the whole thing off just the same way you applied it, and you are gonna be sweating. You can see how my hand is. It's actually beginning to sweat a whole lot, but of course I don't have much fat around here, so where you have fat is where you're gonna sweat much more. Okay, so then you go wash it off. Now you can apply this treatment every day for the space of few weeks, and you're gonna see a huge result.